when you're going to be using your drill press as a vertical turret lathe, you're going to have to remember a few things. The first thing is you're going to need an indicator on it so that when you adjust the handle of your compound vise, you know how much material you're taking off. And then you're going to need to have some kind of a tool in here for shaving the material off, whatever it is you're going to be using. Now, because of all the free play, the loose play in your drill chuck here or in your drill press quill, you're going to have to be careful there too, because the tool can grab if you take too much material off. So you'll have to be very, very careful on getting the tool aligned right, just at the tangent point or just below the tangent point, so that it won't catch and roll up onto the tool and gouge your plastic. All right, here we go. This here is 2 inches 840 thousandths, and I want to take it down to 2 inches 740 thousandths. So let's get started. I have my indicator zeroed out. Let's go. $20 thousandths. $40 thousandths. Should be 50 thousandths. So let's check it. Right now it should be 2,790. And it's right about there, 2,780. Okay, well, we're getting closer. But anyway, that's generally the idea. There you have it. Drill press as a vertical turret lathe.